Hi guys, it's Elena from Financialdemics, where I give you the tips and tools to manage your money, increase your savings and your income, and decrease your debt. And today we are talking all about the best automatic savings apps. So if you're looking to get your money right and build a strong financial foundation, then make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Today, we're talking about the 5 best savings apps because let's face it, the easiest way to save is when you're not involved. And you know why. Sometimes you get money in your account, you know you should save it, but you really want to do something else with it. And so these apps are going to help you reach your savings goals without lifting a finger. Well, kind of. All right, so the first app that we're going to talk about is Chime. Chime is actually not just a savings app, it's actually a bank, and it has the same level of security, and it is FDIC insured up to $250,000, just like your brick and mortar bank. But the difference with Chime is they actually allow you to access your paycheck 2 days early if you have direct deposit through them. And they actually have automatic savings set up so that you are able to reach your savings goals. Because remember, it's always important to have a little bit of cushion. So they have 2 different types of ways that you can automatically save using their accounts. The first one is saving as you spend. So when you use the Chime Visa debit card, every time that you spend money, it will be rounded up to the next dollar and it will be put into your Chime savings account. The second way is to set up an automatic savings plan. So just like I talked about before in my how to save with a low income video, which I will link right here and in the description box so you can watch it if you haven't already. I believe it is easier to save if you set it up automatically, and they have something similar with their accounts where every time you get paid, you can set an amount to have automatically moved to your savings account. And did I mention the app was free? I'm pretty sure I said it was free. So you don't have to worry about any of those monthly fees that some brick and mortar banks charge. The second app we're going to talk about is Empowered. Empowered is another banking app. So you can actually have a checking account with them, and they have the ability to automatically save for you. With the Empowered app, you actually can set a savings goal. So you can tell the app how much you actually want to save, and they can give you a breakout of approximately how much you need to save per week to reach that goal. Or you can kind of adjust the goal a little. So if it's a little too high for you at first, you can adjust it down and then grow as you get used to saving. Now, the great thing about Empower is that they track your spending and they decide whether or not you can save a little bit more. So they pull more money into your savings, which is the great part because it takes you out of it, because sometimes you know how it goes, save or brunch. The Empower app also has some additional features that are great to have. They have budget tracking, which actually analyzes your spending. And if you know anything about me when it comes to budgeting, it doesn't matter if you budget if you don't go back and analyze your spending. So I love that. And they also have a recommendations section, which will give you some recommendations on some adjustments you should make, such as canceling subscriptions. And this app is also free, so you don't have to worry about paying any fees with this app at the time of this taping. The third app that we're going to talk about is Digit. I've talked about Digit before on here. Digit is an automatic savings app that allows you to save without thinking, and I believe in managing your finances as easy as possible. With Digit, it also analyzes your spending and it looks at, okay, how are they spending money, what bills do they have coming up, and how much can I save. It does give you an opportunity to either save aggressively or on a normal pace. I advise if you sign up for Digit to save on a normal pace, because Digit will swipe your money. But granted, it's in your savings account, so of course you can always transfer it back. Digit also has goals, so you're allowed to set up goals for what you're actually saving for and turn goals on or off. So when you do save, Digit will pull that money in and allocate it to all of your different goals to make it easier, so you don't have to just focus on one goal at a time. What I love about Digit is that it's also text-based, so even if you don't have an app, you can communicate with them through text. They will actually send you a text letting you know your bank account balance every morning if you choose to. I think you can also change it to weekly or not get it at all. I prefer to get that every morning because I told you it's important to know what's in your bank account just to make sure that there were no issues in the last day. And so even if you see a decrease in your account and you ask Digit why, Digit will tell you what charge came through, which is really helpful, especially if you have one bank account, to just figure out what's going on. Now, unfortunately, Digit is not free. You do get a free 30-day trial, and then the charge is $5 a month to save for you. So what I would say is if you struggle with saving, then Digit may be able to help you. It's just a small fee to build the savings that you need. The fourth app that we're going to talk about is Kapital. Yep, like capital with a Q. Now, Kapital is also another automatic savings app, but the difference between Kapital and Digit is that Kapital allows you to set rules for how you actually save your money. For example, you can set it up to round up each purchase that you make with the card that you have connected to the account. So if I purchase something at the store for $1.50, it'll automatically save 50 cents in my Kapital account. You can also set up the 52-week savings challenge, and you can also set up rules to save towards your goal based on certain activities, like going to the gym. Every time I go to the gym, save $5. Things like that. So that's what I like about Kapital, because it's definitely goal oriented and it'll help you stay motivated. Kapital also have additional features such as the sweet spot, which helps you with your spending. It basically monitors your accounts and figures out how much you have available to spend on the things you love. And then it also has an investing tool that you can use also, so that you can start investing on a small scale. Now, Kapital is free for 30 days. And they also have 3 different payment tiers. Their first tier starts at $3 and goes up from there. The fifth app that we're going to talk about is Dobot. Dobot is another automatic savings app that saves based on your goals. Every few days, it analyzes your spending, figures out what is a safe amount to save, and then transfers that amount into your savings account at Dobot. They also give you the ability to set up for automatic savings. So if you wanted to save, say, $25 a week, then you can have it do that for you automatically without you having to manually transfer it every time you want to save. And of course, if you want to manually save, you can do that also. And with all of these apps, you can absolutely manually save. But remember, the point is to make it easier for you to save over time without having to do it yourself. One thing that I really like about Dobot is that they actually have monthly savings challenges. So you can participate in savings with other people who have the Dobot app. And I just think that creates a sense of community, which all of us need when we're trying to build up our finances. Now, Dobot is a free app, but I did read on their site that they do not pay interest. So if you're just trying to start saving, then you could look into that app. Or if you just want another place to put some money, that's an option for you also. I have one bonus app here. It's actually not a savings app, but more so of an investing app, and that is Acorns. This is a great app to use if you have been wanting to invest, but you're really not sure how to do it. This will get you in at the ground floor. There are two different ways to invest with Acorns. The first one is Acorns Invest, which will round up your purchases made with the checking account that you attach to the app. And you can also invest using Acorns Later, where you are automatically having money invested on either a weekly or bi-weekly or monthly basis into your Acorns app. So similar to like having $5 transferred to the app on a weekly basis. Now, since Acorns is an investing app, they do take you through a risk tolerance questionnaire to determine what are the best investments for you. If you're not sure what I'm talking about when I mention risk tolerance, basically, if you are scared to lose money in the stock market, maybe you shouldn't be in all stocks. They'll find something that is more conservative for your liking so that you can start the process. Now, Acorns does have 3 pricing tiers. They start at $1 and the highest is $3. So 1, 2, and 3. So if you're looking to invest, that is a good way to start. So in the comments below, let me know if you're currently using an automatic savings tool. And also if you are, let me know which one, because I want to know if I have them all, because I'll definitely love to check it out. I hope this video was helpful for you, especially if you're looking to build your savings up. If you are, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe and share it with a friend. And if you're looking for more videos on savings, then check out these 2 videos right here where I talk all about saving on a low income and sinking funds. And I'll see you next time.